Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Dell Pro 14. So there are three different ways to enter recovery mode on this laptop. Two of them are related to Windows recovery, and one additional that I want to show in this video is how to enter the Dell recovery. However, before we get into the Windows recovery, I want to show you how to get your BitLocker recovery keys, because you never know when BitLocker decides to block your access to your computer, and you're gonna need a BitLocker recovery key in order to regain access to your PC in such case. So in order to find your recovery keys, you have to go to the Microsoft aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So just enter this web address into your path field in a browser on any device that you have around, and after that sign into your Microsoft account, the one that is linked with your Dell laptop. So let me enter the email to my Microsoft account, click next. Then you most probably will have to confirm your identity using your, for example, email, or just enter your password or a passkey, like in my case. Choose whether you want to stay signed in. And on the following page, you'll be able to see the table with recovery keys in the middle column. So that's the recovery key that you're gonna need to enter in case your device gets locked by a BitLocker. And you can identify which recovery key you need by either finding the matching one to your device name, or you can also check the key upload date, which indicates the day when the account, Microsoft account, was added to your Dell laptop. Or if you don't know either of those, you can just check the key ID, and when you if your screen gets locked by BitLocker, you will be able to see your key ID and easily find the matching recovery key. Okay, so now that you know how to protect yourself from BitLocker, let's go back to our Dell laptop, and I'm gonna show you the first way to get into recovery mode. So to do that, we're gonna have to hold down the right shift button and then select start button, start icon on the screen, go to power options, select restart, keep holding down the right shift button all the time, wait until your laptop is restarted. And after the restart, you will see the Dell logo and the please wait sign beneath it. At this point, you can stop pressing the right shift button and just wait until you are in the recovery mode. Okay, so as you can see, we have several different options here. You can either navigate here using your arrow keys, or you can of course use your touchpad if you'd like. So we can go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and basically anywhere you like. Now, I'm gonna turn off this PC to show you the second way. So the second way is more of a brute force way to enter the recovery mode, and it's and the likeliness of triggering the BitLocker if you enter the recovery mode this way is much heavier. So to do that, you're gonna have to simply turn on your laptop by short pressing the power button, and then while the laptop is launching, you have to shut it down by holding down the power button once again. Then re-enable your laptop and interrupt the boot process once again. Then start your laptop once again and see if on the third boot anything appears beneath your Dell logo. If not, interrupt the boot process once again, and just repeat it until you see either prepare an automatic repair or please wait message beneath your Dell logo. Okay, let's check. And as you can see, we have prepared an automatic repair. So now we're gonna have to wait. Most probably the laptop will start diagnostics, which is common in Dell laptops. We can just wait through the entire diagnostics, and then we'll eventually see the recovery mode on our screen. Okay, so let's wait until we can actually do something. Okay, so let's press enter and we are here. Now let's, for example, use startup options. To find them, we have to go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then go to startup settings, restart, and let's check what happens next. Oh, and as you can see, we didn't trigger the BitLocker. We successfully got to startup settings. Let's press F10. Let's relaunch recovery and turn off the laptop once again. So now I'm gonna show you how to enter the Dell Recovery menu. First of all, we have to shut down the laptop. And after that, we have to shortly press power button to turn it on, and then repeatedly click the F12 button to enter one-time boot menu. Here, using the arrow key, down arrow key of your laptop, scroll to the SupportAssist OS Recovery and press enter to confirm. Then in order to enter this recovery menu, you're gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So select a Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password to it. Wait until you are connected, and once you are connected, you'll be able to start the recovery by clicking Start Recovery right here. Okay, so let's click it, and then the laptop will start downloading files needed for you to access the recovery menu. And it's gonna take some time, probably about 10 minutes or so. Okay, once your laptop is restarted, in order to enter the recovery mode, you have to click Approve. Let's skip the walkthrough and let's see what we actually can do here. So here we can scan the hardware of their computer. We can repair our computer. We can also back up our files. And what's most important in here that we can actually perform the reset. And after the reset, we will get the stock operating system. So not just the Windows, the default Windows ISO image, but actually the system dedicated to this laptop. And therefore, if you ever want to reinstall Windows on your PC without using a USB flash drive, I recommend actually going into this Dell OS Recovery and resetting your computer this way, because this way you will get the OS with all the drivers, all the software that you need for your computer to function the way it was designed to be. And if you want to exit, just click the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.